Right, back on the 36 Austin this morning. I'm only out here doing some measurements, so nothing drastic, nothing to change today. But thanks to all you people that subscribed, the new ones, and the views over 2,000. Wow, way brilliant. That makes me get stuck in even more. Now, a few of you said, are you going to chop it, etc. I'd love to chop it down 2.5 inches, but I don't want to get into new screen, glass, etc. This is just a cool cheap hot rod really project, and yeah, I just don't want to go down that route. Channeling. Now, I've not got a clue how to channel a car. I'm a beetle guy, VW beetle guy, so this is all new to me. But what I am going to do is section the body. Now, I've seen a couple of videos online recently, and with the rots we have here, and where it's been cut before, I am going to cut it 6 inches, which is just above the hinge. Then I'll move the door hinge up here, you know, so it sits on this bit. Hopefully, yeah, it will sit there. So that's the way I'm going. So to section the body, but the 6 inches at the back obviously come straight along. Doors, nothing on the arches, and no, I think this bit will stay, wouldn't it? Obviously, would it? I don't know. But even so, no, I'll cut along here anyway to get rid of this rust. While we're here, has this been welded before? Because I can see some, look at weld marks, or is this from factory? It seems pretty weird. I reckon it's from factory, you know, where they've put in the rear pretzel window, you know. Oh, I love that. But let me know in comments, you Austin fans. Someone said, oh, it's an old car, I shouldn't have chopped it or whatever, but this was found in a field. Previous owner saved it, the chassis had gone, I think the engine was seized, etc. But it's here and it's going to sit on a bagged bug chassis. So the measurements, wow, you won't believe how close. Talk you through that in a minute. But obviously I'm going to make up my own firewall. I've got B-roll, I've got metal, so once it sits on a bug chassis, obviously I've got to do my own body mounts. It's going to look cool. Yeah, even this door is rotten, so I'm going to section it. I've got the wings inside, the front wings. Obviously we've got to cut the rear wings, not too bothered about that, but it'll sit cool and low. So there it is. At the moment, if you're new, he's sitting on a Suzuki Jimny 1.3 chassis and engine, and I think it's going to a good home. But yeah, at the moment it's just sat on. Not too sure what to do about this rear door. It's been tacked on at the minute. Depends where the Beetle chassis and seats sit, whether I need to open this, would I just remove the handle and weld it up. That'd be pretty cool. We'll see, that's later on down the line. Right, let's talk about the measurements then, quickly. I'll quickly show you the rear of the chassis. Like, comment, subscribe. Say, got me a few subscribers, chuffed to bits. yeah, I'll put this video on later, and the next one will be my winter projects. Probably include that one, but there he is, look. That's my bug chassis. You can see the airbags. I've got to get airlines and a compressor, but that all works a treat. The chassis is perfect. Alright, back to the Austin. It's an Austin 1936 Cambridge, but I'm going to just call it Austin 36 or 36, you know, getting to the hot rod vibe, like, you know. So my 36, Austin 36, yeah, one of them two. Right, there's the measurements here. Now I've measured the chassis and the wheel, and I'll tell you what, is pretty much spot on. Half inch. Yeah, coming across the doors. Obviously I've got to make my own box section where this body sits on, so there's a lot of fabrication there, but I've done it before, and that's what's happening on here. But yeah, there's roughly what workings out. I know you can't really make it out, but yeah, it's roughly 142 inches long, the Beetle, and where the engine sits is pretty on blinking perfect. How it sticks out in there to the inch, like, you know, is crazy. What am I going to do? Obviously I'm going to brace up the top here once we sit on the chassis. I may have to get this deck lid folding out the other way, and that's the only thing. Reverse the old. Yeah, ain't gonna look odd, is it? Yeah, I've been flipping up because of the Beetle engine. We'll see. That's way down the line. Want this body in the shop December. Once the square back's done inside, the body was sitting there, then we'll roll the chassis in New Year. Yeah, and give it some, I think. But say the measurements, crazy. I've done the width, length, and this. Obviously, we're gonna have to make some mods and yeah, fix all this. But I'm thinking 6 inches right along, so it body sits low, so it'd be sectioned. I don't sound right. Section in. No, you're not going jail. Sectioned, bloody hell. Cool body. Look, again, thanks for all your comments, and the view's superb. Yeah, I will start cracking on with this in the new year. So, but you know, mate, I'll start digging at it. And first thing, we've got to remove the body off this chassis and get rid. So get them up in the air. Me and Big Al will do that, and bring out the chassis and get the body inside. Perfect, and go to town. What I'll do next while you're here and I'm here is stick the wings and bonnet on. Let's have a look in the front grille. Right, this is a balancing trick, so wait for it all to go tits up. It's not sitting exactly right because it needs more cutting out on the Suzuki chassis, but get it pretty close. Yeah, nowhere near at the minute. This is roughly. But I'll tell you what, that's not screaming hot rod. I wish I had the original chassis and put an engine in, but that's way over my head. But as you can see, the original grille, we got that. Sorry, the original engine lid. Right, let's dig out the nose and see if I can try to balance that up. Right, this will be a laugh. I don't think this would ever fit on a Suzuki Jimny chassis. It looks pretty cool high up, but yeah. Right, let's grab a grill. Blinking heavy. Let's see. Oh, we got the front wings, but they ain't going on yet. Let me just, yeah, it's hitting the rad, but oof. I'm gonna rewire these because you see the original wiring. Way go. That looks cool as shit. Wow. Imagine that with a rad sitting on the floor. So that's what it's going to be. That looks cool. Let me grab a front wing for a laugh. But yeah. Right, got the front driver's side. It needs work, but I think they'll probably need modding. I've got the inner support for the wings. What's that look like? Obviously, yeah, I'm going to probably cut them down and slim them down, but we'll see once it's sat on the chassis what we're going to have. Whee! Is that cool? Get on. I found the original light as well, the other side. So that's that, all mocked up. Thanks for watching. I'll leave that here because it's got to hammer down again. Just a catch-up video on. I've measured it and it's pretty damn close. Yeah, look at that. Sitting on a bug chassis, I don't think it's ever been done before. So it could be the first, so stay tuned. My 36 hot rod. Get in. Cheers, like, comment, subscribe, buymeacoffee.com. Amazon wishlist, and yeah, let me know your thoughts on. I can't chop it. I'll give it a go, but it'd be new glass, you know, and no, section the body. I think it's the best way to go. Even the front engine, what do you call these? Engine panels? Yeah, just front engine panels. May even line up down the bottom of the 6-inch, so that could give it a nice flow. Then we adapt the wings to fit. Cool. Right, thanks for watching again. Cheers.